So let's understand what's the passport validity requirement for Saudi Arab. So your passport must be valid at least 6 months before you plan to apply for the visa. You will be denied entry if you do not have a valid travel document or your passport have been lost or reported stolen. So now let's discuss the visa requirement. You must get an e-visa or electronic visa waiver, which is known as EVW, either before you travel or you arrive at any Saudi Arabia international airport. The type of e-visa you choose depend on your reason why you are traveling. So you can apply for e-visa if you are a tourist. You must get an e-visa to perform Umrah. So for tourist, you can you can get apply online, but if you wanted to perform Umrah, you must have e-visa. The e-visa are valid for 365 days from the date of issue. So it's valid for 1 year. For visits up to 90 days. For multiple entries. So you have three different types. You can apply when you can select whichever you want. Apply online on or arrival of the Saudi Arabia International Airport. You will need a separate visa for Hajj. Now let's discuss the Hajj and Umrah requirement. So you must apply for e-visa to perform Umrah. Select Umrah in the drop down menu. When you ask, I'll show you the website. We will go that in a minute. Hajj, if you wanted to do Hajj, in that case, this is a website, Nusuk Hajj platform. I'll show you that. There's an app as well. We will discuss that later on. And for the 2024, it's not open yet, but it's about to open, so you can get all the details over there. You also need a vaccination for meningitis 10 days before you arrive for Hajj and Umrah. So it's very important. Your certificate must be valid, and if you don't have that, they won't let you in. So for the visa requirement as well, you need that. So when you apply visa, they will ask you for that. So this is the first website, visa.mufa.gov.sa. You can note that website, and I'll also share that link into the description. Go on that website, go down, and you will have three options: visitors, citizen and residents, businesses and entities. So you will select the visitors because that's what the visa you want. So you will click on that, and then it will take you. It will start with the Arabic language. You can select English, and it will come up in English. Go down and you will have all the options over here. So if you wanted to visit request, you have a request a visa from Saudi Arabia representative abroad. You have electronic Hajj and Umrah visa application form. So we will click on that, and then it will open you to register your details and everything. So you will put your passport number, nationality, you will register your account, and you will start a new application. And you also have a trial version which they are working at the moment. You can click on that and it will take you to the trial version. I normally don't recommend the trial version because there are always bugs, so it's always better to use the old version at the moment. And you will start your new application by clicking on this. So when you will come to this page, it will have add a Hajj visa request. So you put the family, grandpa, the father, all the names of the people, and then you will go down. You will put passport number, passport type, release date, place of birth, current nationality, sex, all these details, residence card information. So if you have a residence card, if you have a visa data, so all the details you will mention over here, and you will submit the request for it. This is the official website for ksavisa.sa. It's provided by the one which I was talking about, the beta version. So you go on that website. In future we will be using this website, so I'll discuss this anyway. So this is the website where you will go down and you will have option for visit, transit, work, Hajj, others. So at the moment we wanted to select the visit. We will click visit. You will have option, which option. So we want for Umrah. We'll go down and it will say Umrah. You will click on that. You will select your nationality, so United Kingdom. So we will select the nationality United Kingdom. Show eligible visas. So now you have three options. One, electronic visa, which we were talking about, e-visa. Visa on arrival. So it says you can obtain visa upon arrival on Saudi Arabia entry point once you arrive at your destination airport or entry point in Saudi. Use the self services and go directly to the passport control office to apply for your visa on arrival. So if you want to perform Umrah, you can get visa on arrival. Visa through Nusuk. Nusuk we will just discuss in a minute. So first we will go on that electronic visa. So you can apply before. So if you don't want on arrival, you can apply before. So this is how you do it. You click apply and then it will take you to this page ksavisa.sa visa/tourism apply. It says if you have previously obtained a visa through us, please provide the information. So if you have applied before, if you are performing second time the Umrah, then you just provide the visa number and ID number. It will bring all the details. But since we are applying first time, we will go on this page. Now you have 8 steps. 1 step visa options, second personal information, third passport information, residence information where you will put your passport details, terms and conditions, application review, medical insurance and application payment. And this is how you will apply your visa. So it's pretty straightforward. Now let's discuss the Nusuk. This is the Nusuk website, nusuk.sa. This is the website which you will use for this purpose. This is one platform where you can do everything. So start your visa process. You can do that. Umrah and Ziyarah, explore Makkah, explore Medina, book your packages. So the UK government is trying to centralize everything. So if you click on this, it will take you to the packages which I was discussing before. So you have like basic package, economy package, VIP package, tour package. So you have all the options and how many nights you want. So it will give you all that. So basically they are working with the partners. Now let's explore the Hajj website. So the Hajj website is hajj.nusuk.sa. This is the website. I'll put all these links in the description as well. You will see this logo. Don't get confused with .com websites because they are fake. There is another website which was created, nusuk.com, but that's a fake website. The original one is .sa. The journey, served countries, packages, service provider. So you will have everything. So over here, if we write United Kingdom and click on that, we will come to the page where you will have the option United Kingdom. So there you go. Register now. So when you will click on this page, it will take you to the Hajj platform where you will create an account to start your journey. So you will select UK, that you are, my country is UK, I'm a resident of it. You will put the email address and you will create your account. It will put you in the list where you will get the email and everything. So if you're planning Hajj, you go to this packages, you have types of services, accommodation classification, package duration. So for example, if I click package duration, it will give me 3 options: luxury, premium, standard. So if I want premium, in premium package, you will get 4-star hotel and it's a 10 days minimum. And if you want the standard package, so it's a 3-star hotel and it's a 14 days minimum. And the luxury package, in luxury, you have 2 options. You have shifting, in which you can change the hotel, and in premium you also have shifting and non-shifting. So you will get 5-star hotel and it's a 14 days minimum. And if you go premium shifting, then you will have again 14 days and you can shift the hotel. So you can go from one hotel to another hotel, different types of hotel. Types of services, it will give you all the services: flights, accommodation, catering, transportation, mahashir, tour guide, visa insurance. So it will give you all the details on this website. So this is where you will book the Hajj. And if you want Hajj guideline, it also provides you the Hajj guideline. For example, navigating the kingdom, health guideline, Hajj rituals, Nusuk Hajj. So if I click navigating the kingdom, it will tell me where you can learn more and more on this website. So it's a very good website created by the UK government, the Saudi government. And it also explains you that the currency rate for the dollar as well, how much is it going. So all these things. Paying for trips is very important. How you pay, do not pay with cash, or always keep the transaction record. So if you're booking your tickets online with any tour agent, pay by card, by credit card. What happens in UK, there are loads of travel agents which are not even registered. They will sell you the package, and which you will go there and you will find so many hotels of the same name, and that's a scam basically. It's not even a scam. It's like they will sell you the very low quality hotel, like a 1-star hotel, and your money will be wasted. So always read the terms and conditions on the ticket, on the package, whatever they are doing. If they do any fraud, so in that case you can contact your local police, you can contact City Police London fraud desk as well. You can also report it to Action Fraud. There is a separate video on my channel about the Action Fraud scams, so you will can learn from that video how to report that. There are loads of scams, especially beware. You can only book the Hajj place on the Nusuk Hajj platform. That's the only website where you can book the Hajj, even from UK, any country you're coming from, even from US. You just need to use that platform. Check Saudi Ministry of Hajj information for procedures. Make sure your travel agent operator is ATOL protected. ATOL is basically, so for example, your airline ticket can get cancelled, your flights get cancelled, or the coronavirus, we had an example. So if it's protected, you will get the refund because it's a mega money you are paying. Research the travel company before you book, even if family or friends recommend it. So for example, someone went from that package and they had a good time, but now this year they're planning for a fraud and don't get to it. Be very careful that because the criminals are like everywhere, even the license companies, they will like, they will have a holder on gov.uk website, company's house, but when you will go back to claim, they will be not registered with the tour operators, and then there is a problem. Further information and help if you need, so you can always contact the Ministry of Hajj, and they got a Twitter account, and the Twitter account they update the dates and everything. British Embassy in Saudi Arabia on Twitter and Facebook, they also got the pages. Saudi Embassy in UK, and you can also do the British Consulate General in Jeddah. The phone number is +9661 1481 9100. If you traveling from UK, do save that number just in case. The FCDO in the UK, the contact number is 02070085,000. If you have any questions regarding this website or regarding the Hajj, Umrah packages or tour packages, feel free to contact us. We can also provide you the companies list who providing Hajj as well this year. So feel free to contact us.